There's a quiet battle happening inside you, one you can't see but you can feel. The stiffness in your joints when you wake up, the fog that lingers even after sleep, the dull fatigue that follows you like a shadow. These aren't just signs of age or exhaustion, they're whispers from within. Your body is telling you it's inflamed. Not in flames, but inflamed, a slow, simmering fire that never truly burns out. And the truth is, inflammation isn't the enemy. It's the body's defense, a response meant to protect, to heal. But when that response never turns off, it begins to turn on you. Chronic inflammation is behind nearly every modern illness: arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, even depression. But the most powerful medicine doesn't come in a bottle. It grows in the earth. It lives in color, in texture, in taste. Because food doesn't just fill you, it speaks to your cells. It can fan the flames of disease, or it can cool them into calm. Today, let's talk about 8 healing foods. Not trendy, not complicated, but deeply alive. Foods that quietly disarm inflammation and remind your body what balance feels like. Number 1. Turmeric, the golden healer. There's a reason ancient cultures called it sacred. Hidden inside that golden root is curcumin, a compound so powerful it rivals anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. Curcumin blocks the molecules that trigger inflammation, while boosting antioxidants that repair damage. Add turmeric to warm milk, soups, stews, or tea, but always with a pinch of black pepper. Why? Because piperine, found in pepper, increases curcumin absorption by nearly 2,000%. Together, they're alchemy, nature's version of teamwork. Every sip of golden milk, every bite of turmeric-spiced curry is a message to your body. Heal, not fight. Number 2. Ginger, the root of renewal. Sharp, aromatic, slightly fiery, ginger wakes the body from stagnation. It improves circulation, supports digestion, and soothes inflammation at its source. Inside, compounds like gingerols and shogaols act as natural painkillers, easing muscle soreness, calming arthritis, and even reducing menstrual cramps. Steep it fresh in hot water, slice it into stir-fries, or blend it into smoothies. Ginger doesn't just reduce pain, it rekindles life. Its warmth travels through you like light. Slow, steady, healing. Number 3. Berries, the tiny protectors. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. Each one is a jewel of defense. Rich in anthocyanins, the pigments that give them color. Berries protect your cells from oxidative stress, the silent trigger of inflammation. They lower C-reactive protein levels in the blood, a key marker of inflammation, while nourishing your gut microbiome, which governs your immune system. Add a handful to your breakfast bowl, your yogurt, your evening snack. Their sweetness isn't just flavor, it's medicine wrapped in pleasure. In every berry, your body finds both healing and joy. Number 4. Leafy greens, the body's natural detox. Spinach, kale, moringa, arugula. These are chlorophyll-rich warriors. They deliver magnesium, iron, and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they ignite inflammation. Their fiber cleanses your digestive tract, lowering the inflammatory load from within. But beyond nutrients, greens give your body something deeper: light energy. They are the closest you can get to eating sunlight. The more greens you eat, the calmer your inner fire becomes. They're nature's reminder that healing doesn't have to taste bitter. It can taste alive. Number 5. Fatty fish, omega-3's gift to the heart and mind. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout are packed with EPA and DHA, omega-3 fatty acids that block inflammatory enzymes and soothe your tissues. Omega-3s balance the immune response, protecting your joints, improving circulation, and even easing anxiety and depression. They act like tiny repair agents, patching the damage caused by stress and modern diets. If you're plant-based, you can find omega-3s in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts, though the marine forms are more bioavailable. Either way, these fats are not indulgence, they are maintenance. They keep your inner system oiled, flowing, and free. Number 6. Olive oil, the liquid calm. In the Mediterranean, they call it gold, not for its price, but its power. Olive oil is rich in oleocanthal, a compound that works similarly to ibuprofen, easing inflammation and protecting your heart. Unlike refined oils, it doesn't inflame the arteries, it soothes them. Use extra virgin olive oil raw. Drizzle it over salads, soups, and roasted vegetables. Let it replace the processed oils that exhaust your body. When you taste olive oil, fruity, peppery, grounding, remember, this isn't just fat, it's flow. It's the kind of nourishment that whispers peace to your cells. Number 7. Green tea, the drink of quiet strength. In its pale green hue lies EGCG, epigallocatechin galat, one of nature's most potent antioxidants. It fights inflammation at the molecular level, improving metabolism, detoxifying the liver, and protecting the brain. Green tea doesn't rush you, it restores you. The L-theanine it contains balances caffeine, creating calm alertness, energy without anxiety. A cup in the morning, a cup in the afternoon, and you'll feel your mind clear, your heartbeat steady, your energy clean. Green tea is balance in liquid form, ancient, humble, profound. Number 8. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate, the bittersweet healer. Real dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is loaded with flavonoids that lower inflammation and improve blood flow. It boosts serotonin, lifts mood, and reduces stress hormones. But here's the key: it must be real. No candy bars, no sugar-laden imitations. Pure, dark, unprocessed cacao is a plant, not a dessert. A small piece after dinner isn't indulgence, it's ritual. A closing note of gratitude to your body. A reminder that healing can be delicious too. Now step back and see the pattern. All 8 of these foods, turmeric, ginger, berries, greens, fatty fish, olive oil, green tea, dark chocolate, they don't just fight inflammation, they restore rhythm. They return your body to its original intelligence. They don't shout like medicine, they whisper like nature. Each one helps lower chronic stress, balance your microbiome, protect your heart, clear your mind, and slow the aging process, not by attacking your body, but by teaching it to relax again. Inflammation thrives in chaos. Too much sugar, stress, processed oils, sleepless nights. Healing thrives in calm, whole foods, good rest, deep breath. It's not about diets or discipline, it's about partnership. Your body isn't broken, it's trying to heal constantly. These foods simply help it remember how. So tomorrow begin simple. Add turmeric to your morning tea. Swap your oil for olive. Toss berries into your breakfast. Brew green tea instead of soda. Sprinkle flax seeds over your salad. Snack on a few walnuts. End your day with a square of dark chocolate. Tiny acts, big impact. Every choice adds up, not overnight, but over time. That's how inflammation fades, not by force, but by rhythm. Because healing isn't a single moment. It's a daily conversation between you and your body, a language made of color, aroma, texture, and gratitude. The more you speak that language, the more your body responds, gently, faithfully, beautifully. So eat the foods that cool, not inflame. Eat the ones that calm, not confuse. And as your body quiets, your mind will too. The aches will ease, the fog will lift, the fire will burn steady again, not destructive, but alive. Eat gently, heal slowly, live fully, and remember, peace begins where inflammation ends. Stay calm, stay nourished. This is Vital Dynasty.